Easy installation with Phillips head screwdriver. Fully reversible lever, can be installed on both right-handed and left-handed doors. Fits all doors 1-3/8 to 1-3/4 in thickness. 6-way adjustable latch to fit any 2-3/8 or 2-3/4 backset. Certified Grade 3 security by ANSI, BHMA. Amazon Basics contemporary round deadbolt door lock, single cylinder, matte black. Top reviews from the United States. As good or better than name brand. I've installed hundreds of deadbolts. This one installs and functions as good or better than the big names in door locks. Excellent price value.